Spotify, Instagram, Snapchat, that phone in your pocket, your computer, I could go on. But all those things have one thing in common. They use coding. But coding isn't just for the pros. You can code too. I'll go over how to get started coding, some of the basic terminology, and the benefits of coding. There are many resources online about coding. There's YouTube videos, there's books, there's websites, there's so much out there. But if you start in the wrong place, you'll be way more confused than you need to and have a lot more trouble than you should. I would not recommend starting with a video for your first programming language, as they tend to be geared more towards experienced programmers. I would recommend a website like Code Academy. That's where I learned my first language, Python. It walks you through all the steps and helps you with any problems you may face. Even if you start in a great place though, it'll help to know some basic terminology. I'll show examples of some of the basic parts of coding using the language Python because it's a very simple language and I'm the most confident in it. The first part of every program are variables. Variables are values that can be set, changed, and interacted with by the viewer of the program. Variables can store their values as values, which is the technical term for numbers, or strings, which is just text. In the language Python, we can set a variable by doing variable name equals 2 to set it to 2, or other variable equals hello world. Hello world is in quotes so that the computer knows you're not setting it equal to another variable, but rather the string of text. So now that we have the variables, we can display them. Most languages will have some sort of print function. In Python, it's as simple as typing print and then the variable name, and it'll display the content of that variable to the screen. So if we do print variable name, it would print 2, or print other variable would print hello world. So now we can make a very simple program. We can write variable name equals 2, print variable name, which will print 2 to the screen. There's a lot of benefits of coding too, that you can try it. First, coding enhances your creativity skills. When coding, you need to think of all the ways you could solve a problem and then apply the best one that would be the most efficient. It also improves your logic skills, as coding is based all around logic. It can help you understand higher-level math concepts in school, too. Coding also helps you be more able to adapt. Coding languages are constantly changing, and you have to be able to adapt to the new features quickly. Coding can teach you a whole lot of skills, but you can also make some money. The average Python programmer makes $116,000 a year, and it's a very fun job as you get to do your passion for a living. There are many benefits to coding and many reasons to try it. So I challenge you, go try coding for 15 minutes tonight. You may not like it, or you may find a hobby, or even a future profession. But whatever it may be, go try coding.